Damages sodium bicarbonate to the body. Sodium bicarbonate is called baking soda, and it is one of the important elements that are present in any home, and its price is very cheap. Anyone can buy it, and it has a lot of benefits, some harms, and it has many uses. Volume 0%. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. It works as an antacid. Remove sweat in the underarms. Moisturizing the skin and body. Relief from itchy skin caused by body burns and insect bites. Remove unpleasant odors from clothes. Relief of rashes in children. Mouthwash. Reducing bee stings. Keep cut flowers for a long time. Absorption of unpleasant odors, so it can be sprayed on the fridge. Repel ants and cockroaches, by placing them at windows and doors. Get rid of skin odors, so you spray inside the shoes. Damages sodium bicarbonate. When you use sodium bicarbonate frequently, this helps dry the skin, swelling, and nausea, and when these symptoms appear on a person must contact the doctor immediately, but when taken with food, it usually does not have any side effects, but it should be applied in moderation, and not to overuse it. This is because taking excessive doses of it leads to headache, high blood pressure, nausea, thirst, vomiting, abdominal pain, and fatigue for no reason. Benefits of sodium bicarbonate. There are many benefits that can be used when using sodium bicarbonate, including, get white teeth, and they can be used as an alternative to toothpaste, and sprayed on the teeth to remove stains, and that is by placing a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate in half a cup of water, and as a mouthwash. Increase hair shine and vitality, by adding a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate to the used shampoo, rubbing the head with it, and then washing the hair as usual. Calm skin irritation, as it is considered a moisturizing cream for the skin, and it relieves the itching generated by the heat. It reduces insect bites, by mixing it with a certain amount of water, until it becomes like a paste, and placing it on the affected area, leaving it to dry, and thus toxins are removed from the skin. Fighting some diseases that afflict the body, such as arthritis, certain types of cancers, restoring alkalinity, neutralizing acids in the body, in addition to strengthening the immune system. Cure many diseases and health problems, especially chronic kidney disease, and this can be done by consuming a daily dose of sodium bicarbonate.